This is Engineer Felix. You are welcome to my channel, Felix Techno Aids, where we help you to increase your knowledge through technical videos. If you are new on this channel, make sure you subscribe. Make sure you hit subscribe button. Also, don't forget to share. You can share this video to your friends. Also, if you have opinion or idea, you can drop it in a comment section. So I'm going to introduce you how you can activate child lock function. So if you are using a washing machine at home, maybe you have children who can come and play with the washing machine and change your washing program. So to activate it, there is two buttons here, intensive and pre-wash. You power on your washing machine and set your desired program here. Like, let me choose cotton, and then you can also here choose the washing temperature here. You can use cold water. Spin speed here, it is only 1000. I can place start button. After placing a start button, I also place simultaneously on these two buttons, intensive and pre-wash. Press and hold 3 seconds. You can see, you hear the beeps, the beep. This child lock red is on. This child lock function is activated. I can show you. You see, you cannot stop. You see, you cannot change the spin speed. You cannot change temperature. You cannot stop. Also here on this knob, on program knob, you cannot change, because the child lock function is activated. To deactivate it, also you have to place on this button as you did. Place and hold till you hear the sound. See? Now I can stop the washing machine. So this is how you can activate child lock for LG Invanta washing machine. Intensive and pre-wash button at the same time. Press and hold 3 seconds. So thank you for watching. See you in my next videos.